All right, so number 24 here, this is actually the counting principle. So the way we know this is you're picking one of each from multiple categories. In fact, four categories. You're picking out of the sandwiches, the soups, the salads, and the drinks. So you have three choices when you pick your sandwich, sorry, three choices when you pick your soup, four when you pick your salad, and two when you pick your drink. So your total choices you have to multiply, right? Because each sandwich, maybe you have ham, turkey, and a club sandwich. From each of those, you branch out three soups, right? And then from each of those soups, you multiply out four salads, right? Et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And then each of those salads you multiply spread out and have two drink choices. So you end up having to multiply all of your options together. So that would, let's see, be like 9 times 8, so 72 total choices.